This mom kept hearing strange sounds coming from her dryer vent, and she knew something wasn't right, so she pulled the entire pipe outside and called her neighbor to help figure out what was hiding inside. Whatever was in there refused to come out and kept holding on like it knew how to stay hidden. So they tried everything and it still wouldn't move until she finally found one move that gave it no way to escape. But first, if your mom truly means everything to you, like and subscribe, drop a heart in the comments. If you really care, and share this video with someone who loves their mom too. And the moment it finally came out, they couldn't believe what they were seeing.